You are going to love the 2020 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, rear wheel drive, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.